Hey guys, welcome back. So today I will be making potato cauliflower, also known as Aloo Gobi. So let's see the ingredients. So first we're gonna have some sunflower oil. We're gonna have some cumin, and some turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, and red chili powder and salt as per taste. Then we're gonna have 2 medium potatoes that I've already peeled and chopped. Then we're gonna have 1 green chili, half a teaspoon of ginger paste, half a cauliflower cut broken into florets, some water, and some coriander. Hey guys, welcome back. So I have heated my pan to high flame and I'm going to put my oil in it. And once my oil is warm, which my oil is pretty warm, I am going to put all my spices in like this. Stir it. As soon as the cumin starts popping, you will know that the oil is warm. Now I'm going to put the green chili and ginger paste. And mix. And now this will be a very quick recipe, so you have to bear with me. Put your potatoes and cauliflower. In and give it a quick stir. Mix it with it. And once you mix it pretty much, we're going to put your water and put your water in. You do not need to put water if your cauliflower is wet. Mine is completely dry, so I'm going to put some water. And now what you need to do is, once this is mixed very well, you need to put a lid over it and just simmer it for 10 minutes. And now you need to simmer it for 10 minutes, okay? And put it on low flame. Not that low. There we go. That low. See you guys when it's done. So it's been a minute, but I just want to make sure that that this does not stick to the pan. So I will keep stirring it every 1 to 2 minutes. And see you guys in 10 minutes. Welcome back. So as you can see, I have done it for a good 8 to 10 minutes. And I'm going to show if it's good. How you do that is you take an aloo or potato, you try cutting it in half. If it's pretty easy, then that means it's done. And so now that my thing is done, I'm going to put half a teaspoon of garam masala there. And I'm going to put a secret ingredient, which is clarified butter. It gives it a lot of flavor and it's very good when you put it in. So let's put it in. And after you've done these 2 things, you're just going to put some cilantro in and it's done. Your potato cauliflower or aloo gobi is done. You just kind of garnish it with some cilantro. And it's done. If you want, you can also move it. You can turn it off and move it to and your aloo gobi or potato cauliflower is now done. It's cooked and fully done. So See you next time. Please subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Bye.